Hi Crafty Angels, Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. And today I'm here with day 13 of the 30 days of New November Junk Journal Challenge. And we're going to be using plastic packaging to make a dashboard. Okay, so I have my plastic packaging here. I have my glue. I have it all pre-cut and pre-scored. So what I want to do is wipe off all my fingerprints. There we go. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make it look like a page, okay? But it's gonna be my dashboard. So I'm gonna take this piece here, whoops, that I pre-measured, pre-scored, and pre-cut to put on here. So we're gonna do one side at a time, and I need something under here so I can see what I'm doing. Let's use this piece of paper. This is better. Okay. So I'm going to do this side first, where I'm going to use some art glitter glue and just go down all the way to the edge. And then I'm going to hold it like this, turn my page, and get as close to the edge as I can. I'm going to stand this up, kind of bang it, and move it around before the glue dries, because art glitter glue does tend to dry quick. I'm going to take this, I'm going to burnish it on there. Also, I want to get my piece flat here, so I'm going to take more glitter glue, go down, and take this side and do the same thing. Trying to get it as even as I can, but what I'm going to do is pick it up. That way it'll be spot on before I burnish it. So it'll give me some time to move around like so. So I'm going to press it a little, and that's good. But you see, art glitter glue tends to slide a little, so I'm going to hold my hand here and burnish that on. And art glitter glue does dry clear, so you're not going to see the white color on here once it's dried. So I'm going to let this dry by putting, you know it, my clips on here and let it dry. And we're going to do, I'm going to find something else to make a smaller dashboard. Oops, I missed that one altogether. Okay, so now we got all these clipped. I'm going to put a couple more. I got a whole little container right there. Oops, right here. Okay, so I'm going to let this one dry. And what I want to do is get some more plastic packaging out of my bag here. I'm going to use this piece, just fold it over, even, make sure it's even. I'm just going to burnish it. Make sure it's flat. And we have two dashboards here. Okay, a big one and a little one. So this one has to be clean with a baby wipe, but that's all right. So I want to thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't already, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified of when I go live, do a upload new content, or do a premiere. Don't forget to check out Mrs. Gigi's channel, who is in this collab with me. So I will link her down below with my what they call it, blah blah blah, Linktree link. And all you have to do is scroll on down and you will see her link in there, and you can go over to her channel. I will also link everything that's been used, if I can, down in the description box, okay, or in the comment section. So please be blessed, be kind, be safe, be crafty, and I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Happy crafting on a budget, happy everything on a budget, and bye-bye for now.